Okay, now we'll go into the basement, the non-finished part, which is super duper huge. Well, not super duper huge, but it's big. I got lots of stuff under here. Let's see if we can walk around. The shear wall, this is a shear wall on the block. And the shear wall is falling off, crumbling. Crumbling, literally crumbling. Literally. That can't be good. They should have windows in here, not cardboard. Scary. Freaking me out. So you have all kinds of cast iron, PVC. That's a sewer pipe right there. Look. That crack. That's an open crack. I don't know if you can see it, but I can, and it's deep. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not liking this one. This one, the floors are wonky upstairs. Right above where we're at, too. The floors were solid in the kitchen. Look, that got wet. It's definitely got wet from down in here. And then there was light. So, the number one reason to shear wall, I think, is to hide defects. Outside, sometimes people shear wall the outside to, for aesthetics, and then they're going to paint it. But very rarely do you shear wall the inside of the basement. You just let the block. So this is an old wood stove pipe there from a long time ago. Ooh, making our way through. Scary. I missed that. That's insulation popping out of that. That ain't right. That ain't right at all. That should have a plate on it. They grooved it in. And it's on block. So, I know why the floors are wonky. Gets wet in here. Coming right out, and we're underground. We're under the updated panel. I would take a house to have to update the panel before I would with foundation issues. Like that leaks. Yeah. Okay.